Good morning, everyone. This quick video is just for those of you who were not able to make the Zoom class this morning. I forgot to record it, so here is your catch me up to what you missed. We just talked about what everyone did during quarantine, and then our agenda was we talked about the syllabus, Zoom expectations, Canvas, and then we played a little game of Would You Rather. So I'm going to talk about the syllabus real quick. What is self-defense? It's written in the goal right there. But my goal is that you leave with a higher level of confidence and poised to react to potentially dangerous situations. Now, obviously, this is different in a virtual world. I hope we get to go back at some point, but I don't know if we will. So we'll do our best. And you can see the standards there. Some of those can't really apply to virtual learning. But respect all adults and peers. You must participate, and then we will abide by the student attendance and discipline policy. Assessment, excuse me, daily activities will be 70%, quizzes will be 30%. There's my information if you need to email me. All your grades will be done in Teams. Yes, you will see a grade in Canvas, but it's not going to be most likely what's in Teams because I can't set up those 70 and 30% percentages in Canvas. So real quick, here's the homepage. I talked a little bit just about myself and virtual learning. You know, this is new to all of us, so just remember to take a breath. We will get through this together. I look forward to getting to know all of you guys, even if it's through this screen. But I'm here for you, whatever you may need. Please don't hesitate to send me a message with whatever your questions are. Watch this video first, and here's the schedule. So this is a first period class on A day. I know a lot of you are freshmen, so this is every other day. We will go virtually at 8:25. Now I will wait till about 8:30 to let people get on and get up and get on, but that's when we will have our live class. This is a PE class. I'm not going to keep you behind this screen for 50 minutes. I want you to be up and be active. And I know it's right at the beginning of the day, so most of you should be refreshed and ready to go. But we won't sit behind this screen for very long. And then your modules. Everything is over here in modules. We talked about this as well. Asynchronous, I know, big word. That means you do it alone. Synchronous is when we're together. And I always post this Zoom link for you guys to see. You can't see this yet because I haven't posted it, but this is what you should see. Make sure you complete student information and get to know me. And I think that was all I covered. I hope you guys that weren't able to get on this morning join us on Wednesday. We will be Zooming at 8:30. I really wish everyone can get on because it's going to be imperative to your success in this class. And I want to see your beautiful faces because I'm sure most of you, as am I, we've missed seeing people. And so even if it's through this virtual screen, I like to see your faces and want to get to know you guys and help you and teach you some self-defense. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But that is what we covered this morning. I look forward to seeing you guys on Wednesday. Thanks.